How to repeat YouTube videos automatically. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to repeat YouTube videos automatically. Without further ado, let's get started. Open YouTube app and make sure that you log into your account. Tap on three dots of any particular video and from here you need to simply tap on the save button. So let's tap on save to playlist. Suppose you can create a new playlist or you can even tap on any existing one and tap the done icon at bottom right. Once done, navigate to U icon. From here you need to tap on the view all of your playlist. Open that particular playlist where you have to save the video. Now open the video. Here you can easily see the loop icon with the two arrows on the left. So that's it. With that, now this video will be played on loop. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.